Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to fast forward or reverse the video in TikTok. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. So the first step is to open Play Store and check if you have the latest version for TikTok. If not, then you need to update the app. Wait for the app to update, and as soon as it is updated, you need to clear the app from recent apps. Then you can open TikTok, and you will see at the bottom a slider. You can drag it forward for fast forward, and you can drag it backwards for making the video go in reverse. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.